Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know by the title, today we are going to talk about a particular setting powder. Before that, I'm going to show you what all I got from Innisfree. And if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and let's jump into the video. So this is the box that I I ordered. And these are the bunch of stuffs. So the first is Innisfree cotton box. This retails for 70 rupees and this is just normal cotton. And then I have ordered two setting powders which we'll talk about later in this video. Then I got this apple seed gel remover. I have heard good things about it, never tried this. This is how it looks. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video on this one. I will definitely do it. And then these are the two free products that I received along with a Leave-On sachet. So the first one is eye care sample. I already have this range of samples and I use the Orchid night cream and I use the serum from the green tea range. So I'm a big fan of Innisfree. You guys know that maybe by now. And the next thing is this is the eco-friendly hanky and this is the packaging. It's a great packaging. So here you open it and then yeah, it opens like this. They have this thing for taking pictures. And then there's this. What is the great thing about it? You can use it as like a handcuff. You can tie it on your handbags or as a headband. So I have got my headband on, which is the hanky. So now let's talk about the product. So this is Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder and this retails for 570 rupees. Whereas this is not a normal setting powder. This is a very interesting product. I have not really used this. So today we are going to do that, and before that I'm going to talk you through what it is supposed to do according to me, because here it is written in Korean and I don't know how to read Korean. So the direction says use powder puff to gently apply onto your face. That's it in English what it says, nothing else. So as I already told you guys, this retails for 750 rupees for 5 grams. That is a bit steep, like 5 grams. So if we compare it to this powder, this is 42 grams and this comes for rupees 800 something. But we are definitely not going to compare these two because they are totally different products. What this product is supposed to do is it is going to control the oil secretion on your face. It will stop your oil secreting glands from producing more oil. So this is for people who have really oily skin and maybe the T-zone is oily. So we are going to put it to test. So they have different packagings for this. This one is from their limited edition. They have 12 packagings according to the birth months. This represents your birthstone. So according to the website, my birthstone is not definitely amethyst. My birthstone is pearl. But I didn't really like the packaging and I didn't want to buy it because I don't like pearls in general. So I got this one. This one is amethyst and this one is for the month February and I got two of them. Okay, so when you open the website, they have the descriptions going on which has 12 months. Like they have written it that it is available in 12 variations. That is January for granate, February amethyst, which I have, then March aquamarine, April diamond, May emerald, June is pearl and July ruby, August peridot. I don't know if I'm butchering the name, I might have. And then September is sapphire, October is opal, November is topaz, December is turquoise. So they have really pretty packaging going on. If you wanna buy it, give it a shot. So they have this holographic packaging going on, which is nice. I'm not sure if the camera is catching it, but yeah, that is how it looks. And then when you open the cap, you have a puff and then the cap actually says the kind of person you might be according to your birth month, which I don't know is accurate or not, obviously. So here it says 02 February, which is amethyst, and this says put the troubles in your mind aside. Amethyst helps calm and soothe the heart. Hashtag inner hashtag peace. Okay, then once you take the puff out, you have the actual powder, which is this translucent white colored powder. So I have not set my face with anything. I've just applied foundation, not even concealer. So I'm just going to quickly apply some concealer and then set it. And for foundation, purposely I have used this one from Makeup Revolution because this is a very dewy foundation. So I really want to see how much oil or shine it can control. So yeah, I'm done applying my concealer and now I will just zoom you guys in so that when I apply the powder you can have a better view. So I have just zoomed you guys in and now I will apply the powder. So on one side of my face, which is this side of my face, I'll use the puff that it comes with, and on the other side I'll use a powder brush. So first I will check if I have any creasing underneath. Did it just blur out my under eyes? Can you guys see any difference between these two? Please comment down below because I think this is blurred. So now I'm going to take this Real Technique contour brush. I'm just going to take whatever is there on the lid. This is very finely milled. Just the areas I have applied the concealer. Yeah, so I think this instantly mattified my face. Now I will have a close look on my skin to see what it actually did. Okay, so it did not leave any patches whatsoever, and this definitely has blurred my skin. Like under eyes is blurred. Like trust me, I don't know how much the camera is picking it up, but this is pretty nice. So let me just read it on the website what it has to say about this product. So now I will read out what are the features. So the features says containing Jeju natural mineral and mint ingredient with great sebum absorption powder. So this has mint, which definitely brightens your skin up. When I used it, definitely I saw the brightness on my face. This definitely brightened my skin up. Then it says that with great sebum absorption. So when the sebum is absorbed, there is no oil secretion on your face. My T-zone is very oily, and between this area between my brows, so the powders and the foundations really just wear off from there. So it might just control it, which I can really feel because there is no oil. So the next point says absorbs excess sebum and leaves non-greasy matte finish. Definitely this is, I haven't felt these kind, like this texture is something very different to me because this is so matte yet so comfortable. Prevents makeup from becoming patchy and even skin tone. I definitely agree. It did not make my skin go patchy because this is so dry and I have dry skin. So I wondered why this area did not get patchy because it should have. Normally it happens if I use a too mattifying product, but it did not do that. And then definitely even toned, like I cannot see my lines. That is crazy. I really cannot see my lines. So then it says fixes makeup mistakes and brightens skins up. I don't know what is the meaning of makeup mistakes. How can this fix makeup mistakes? But anyway, this brightens the skin up. Like when I'll have, like the days I'll have horrible dark circles, I will definitely use this because this did brighten my face up. Like I'm sure you guys can see it on camera. If you can, please let me know in the comment section below. And then this says replacement for oil control blotting paper. Definitely I agree. Can be used as an eye primer and a dry shampoo. Really? That came as a surprise. Okay, eye primer, yes, definitely after I conceal my eyelids with a concealer, or normally my eyelids might get oily. Not so oily, but I know people, like maybe one of you might have really oily eyelids, and whenever you apply eyeshadow it might crease, and so this is the great fix. You can definitely use it as that. But I was actually planning to do a makeup hack video, so I will definitely try this one as a dry shampoo. So my suggestions for this product will be, if you have oily skin, definitely buy this. Like if you have combination skin tone, if you have combination skin or your T-zone is oily, use it only on your T-zone. Like you do not need it on rest of your face, right? And obviously you are getting 5 grams for 570 rupees, so you don't want to waste the product. Use a separate compact powder on your face. Just use this powder on your T-zone so that you are not oily. That makes more sense to me, and that is how I am going to use this product. So we have a yes and a hit product here. So for people who have oily skin, I think this got your back. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I just wanted to talk about this product, test it on camera and see whether I like it or not. So leave video requests down below. I know you guys want a night skincare routine. I will definitely do it. That might just come up next, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.